Outside, outside, poo 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 outside, outside, pee pee poo poo outside. Where we going? You need to go outside? Tell me. Need pee pee poo poo? Tell me. All right, let's go. Release the Krakens. What's up? Oh, she got that bug. She got that bug. Yeah. You gonna get you a bug? You better get some bugs. Where the bugs at, man? Where the bugs at? Oh, you getting kicked in the head. You can't get in front of them guns now. Them guns shoot. Don't be killing my Indica giganticus. Don't be killing my Indica giganticus. What the hell? Juju! No! He's digging a little burial ground for his baby doll to lay down. Jojo! No! He's like, nah, ain't nobody getting comfortable around here. Cat Williams! What's that dog, the bounty hunter? Yeah! Ha ha! What did Kenneth want me to name a rooster? Boyd, the rooster. Did I say it right? Leave me a comment. Shout out to my Homer. We keep it country. Keeping it country. This damn thing don't ever gain no weight. That one over there, that one's gaining some weight. There ain't no snakes up in here. Yeah, y'all picked most of all the mustardines. But y'all didn't get them off. Get off of there! You see, they're going up and picking them there. You see, that one ain't ready. I'm still gonna eat that. It's like heaven. Each year they taste better. Hey, turkey, stop picking on my stuff. You see, that fall when they're ripe. Like that one just did. Oh no, that bird just made it fall. I gotta eat mine right here. Them guineas, they remember. They remember. God dang! I gotta get away from there. They're gonna eat the whole bush in 1 second. Come on, little bit. I'm gonna let you on a sec. Come on, little bit. Billy, dang! What you doing, girl? You getting bred out, huh? She's one of the older girls. Come on, guys! Leave my mustardines alone! Come on, guys! The horde is on us. to the woods, the horde says. There's a predator at bay. You better run, there's a predator. Only the rooster should be out. All the females need to get up. All the little babies need to get to the shade now. Run, hurry up, get in the shade. The predator is out. Obviously, there's a chicken hawk somewhere. Because somebody gave off the call. That there's a stranger in my town. Obviously, I need to go look what's on the road over here because that car went really slow. Oh, the guy's broke down. That sucks. It's a weird place to break down. Trying to get up this hill. I would have just put it in reverse, settled back to the bottom, and then went from there. There's a predator out. And these guys are spooked. Juju, easy. No, Juju. There's something out. There's something in one of these trees. There's a chicken hawk out. Obviously, the way that they're acting, it's gotta be in this area. Over here. So let's start looking at branches. Usually the guineas point them out. But this thing has been, I just heard it. I just heard the hawk. Where's the chicken hawk at, guys? Only ones looking around are roosters and guineas. Couple turkeys. Juju, get out of there now. Come with me. Now. Juju. Little bit. Little bit. You're a little gangster. Little gangster bit. Well, yeah, little, you gonna chill over there with the Turk? Turkey gonna beat your butt. The indica's just playing hard to get. Ooh, look, there's the hybrid, half chicken, half guinea. Junior, what did I say? Get your ass over here now. Up! Now! Oh shit, my bad. Good dog. Come on, guys. Dude, y'all done killed that water. Gonna fluff up. I have to do this 2 or 3 times a day. Now it seems like it's getting even more and more. I'm gonna put it on this side now. Little Bear's on Super Nintendo. Get them butterflies. Get them dragonflies. Oh, they're finna get it. Dude, that butterfly was straight up suicidal. He was just landing up in the midst. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit of trouble. Little bit of trouble. He likes that. He acted like he didn't. Man, that felt good. You're so refreshed now, aren't you? Look at you looking all hot and bothered. You look like a straight up. Little bit. Jojo, get in the house. Come on, little bit. Y'all get up. Come on. Come on, Belly. Come on. Come on, Belly. Up, Mama. Belly. Anything. Now. Come on, Mama. Well, sit your butt over there then.